If you want to add an event to calendar on the Motorola Moto G56, then first of all we need to open the calendar app, which you should be able to find in the Google folder, at least by default, in the app drawer. So let's go to Google, and over here in my case I have calendar in this place. So let's open it. Of course, we are using our Google account in order to store the information about events. If you want to create an event, then we can press this plus button in the bottom right corner, and then we can choose event. Here we can set up our name. We can also choose to set it as an event, task, or birthday, but since we are looking to create an event, then of course I'm going to choose event. Here we can change the date and time when the event starts and ends. You can also set the event to last a whole day or without the specific time frame. We have the choice of the time zone, whether the event repeats or not. We can add other people to our event. There is an option to add video conferencing. We can add location. We can manage notifications, so you can choose when you want to be notified about the event. We can choose a color, add description, and also include files from Google Drive. Once you set everything up, press save in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.